Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you're always on the lookout for ways to make life a little easier, more fun, and definitely more efficient. Whether it's a handy gadget that solves a small problem or a product that gives you a big upgrade in convenience, we've got you covered. Today we're diving into 15 innovative products that will not only make your life easier, but also bring some fun and creativity to your daily routine. From gadgets to tools, there's something for everyone. Let's get started. 15. Heads-up display. First up, we have the heads-up display. This little gadget is designed to enhance your driving experience by projecting key information directly onto your windshield. Whether you're driving a fuel car, a hybrid, or a truck, this device shows you speed, navigation directions, fuel levels, and more, right in your line of sight. With features like dual-mode GPS, an automatic brightness adjustment for day and night, and speed limit alerts, this display helps you stay focused on the road while keeping you informed. It's a must-have for anyone looking to drive safer and smarter. 14. Screw extractor. Next on our list is the screw extractor. This is a real lifesaver when it comes to home repairs. Have you ever dealt with a stripped or broken screw? It's frustrating, right? Well, with a screw extractor, you can easily remove damaged screws without breaking a sweat. Simply drill a small pilot hole into the screw, use the extractor in reverse, and voila, it comes out. The best part? It's compatible with a variety of screw sizes, from small bolts to larger screws, and works with any standard drill. Whether you're assembling furniture or fixing appliances, this tool saves you time and a ton of frustration. SERP 13. Tactical belt. Coming in at number 13 is the tactical belt. This belt isn't just any regular belt. It's designed for strength, comfort, and versatility. Made from durable nylon, it's built to handle outdoor adventures, heavy-duty tasks, and even intense workouts. The quick-release buckle is perfect for easy adjustments, and the stretchable fabric ensures that it fits comfortably no matter what the day brings. It's great for hikers, workers, or anyone in need of a reliable belt that can carry tools and equipment. Trust me, this is an accessory you won't want to be without. Number 12. Smart light bulb. At number 12, we've got the smart light bulb. This isn't just your ordinary light bulb, it's a complete lighting experience. With over 16 million colors and 54 preset scene modes, you can customize your lighting to match your mood, the time of day, or the occasion. Hosting a party. Sync the lights with your music and watch them dance along to the rhythm. Want a cozy, dim atmosphere for movie night? No problem. Plus, you can control it all through your smartphone or with voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. It's the easiest way to add some personality to any room. 11. Car sunglasses holders. Next, we've got a small but clever product, car sunglasses holders. If you're tired of losing your sunglasses in your car, these holders are for you. They clip onto your car's visor, providing a safe and convenient place to store your shades. Made from high-quality leather, they look stylish and protect your sunglasses from scratches. Plus, the soft cloth handle makes it easy to grab them one-handed while you're on the go. It's a practical, organized solution that keeps your car interior looking neat while offering a touch of elegance. So 10. Infinity Cube. Number 10 on our list is the Infinity Cube, the perfect tool for reducing stress and increasing focus. This small, compact gadget features continuous folding movements that provide a satisfying tactile experience. Whether you're feeling anxious, bored, or need a quick break during work, the Infinity Cube helps manage those feelings. It's lightweight, portable, and perfect for fidgeting without disturbing those around you. It's a fun and simple solution for anyone looking for a bit of stress relief throughout the day. Number 9. Buildable display model. At number 9, we have the buildable display model of Super Mario's iconic Piranha Plant. This product is perfect for fans of the Mario franchise and LEGO enthusiasts alike. This buildable model lets you pose the plant's head, mouth, stalk, and leaves, allowing you to create your own version of the famous character. It even comes with a brick-built pipe base and collectible coins to make the display even more playful. Whether you're celebrating Mario Day or just want a cool piece for your collection, this model brings creativity and nostalgia together. Number 8. Pocket microscope. Next, we have the pocket microscope. This handy little device allows you to explore the world in ways you never thought possible. Offering 20x magnification, this microscope is great for students, educators, or curious minds who want to learn more about the tiny details of everyday objects. It's portable, easy to carry around, and features built-in UV lighting and an LED flashlight, so you can use it in any environment. Whether you're studying plants, insects, or fabrics, this pocket microscope turns the world around you into a fascinating adventure. Number 7. Selfie Stick Tripod. Up next, we've got the Selfie Stick Tripod. This handy tool takes your photography game to the next level. It extends up to 60 inches, letting you capture wider shots with ease. The tripod base provides extra stability for steady shots, and the 360-degree rotation feature lets you adjust your camera or phone to the perfect angle for selfies, group photos, or vlogging. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for travel or special occasions. If you love taking photos or videos, this gadget is a must-have. Step 6. Wallet Tracker. How many times have you misplaced your wallet? With the Wallet Tracker, you'll never lose it again. This slim, discreet tracker fits easily inside your wallet and connects seamlessly with Apple's Find My network. It emits a sound that's 30% louder than an AirTag, making it easier to locate your wallet when it's lost in the abyss of your bag. Plus, it sends you an alert if you forget your wallet somewhere. It's the perfect way to stay organized and never worry about losing your valuables again. Number 5. Vehicle Emergency Multi-Tool. At number 5, we've got the Vehicle Emergency Multi-Tool. This all-in-one tool combines a USB car charger, power bank, seatbelt cutter, window breaker, and flashlight, making it an essential item for every driver. Whether you're stuck on the side of the road or need to be prepared for an emergency, this tool is there for you. The flashlight has both high and low modes, ensuring you can see clearly in any low-light situation. It's compact, functional, and gives you peace of mind, whether you're on a long road trip or just commuting. Number 4. Phone Stand Grip. Number 4 is the Phone Stand Grip. This handy accessory not only serves as a phone stand, but it also includes a hidden ceramic tape cutter for opening boxes or envelopes. The strong magnetic hold keeps your phone secure, and the 360-degree rotation and 90-degree folding feature lets you adjust the angle for comfortable viewing. Whether you're watching videos, taking calls, or just browsing, this product gives you more control and comfort. Step 3. UV Glue Kit. At number 3, we have the UV Glue Kit. Say goodbye to messy gluing. This kit uses UV light to cure the adhesive, which stays liquid until it's exposed to the light. This gives you plenty of time to adjust your materials before it hardens. It works on a variety of materials: plastic, metal, wood, and fabric, making it incredibly versatile. No more worrying about glue sticking to your fingers or drying too quickly. It's the perfect solution for DIY projects and repairs. Number 2. Carabiner Clip. Coming in at number 2 is the Carabiner Clip. This simple yet essential tool is perfect for outdoor adventures. Whether you're securing camping gear, bikes, or bags, this compact carabiner is strong enough to handle the job. Plus, the built-in combination lock adds an extra layer of security. It's quick and easy to use, making it a must-have for hikers, campers, or anyone who enjoys outdoor activities. That's the 1. LED strip lights. And finally, at number 1, we have the LED strip lights. These lights are an awesome way to enhance your TV watching experience. Measuring 2.5 meters long, they fit TVs between 40 and 60 inches, creating vibrant backlighting that elevates your viewing experience. The included remote lets you control the colors, brightness, and even modes to match your mood. Installation is easy thanks to the adhesive backing, and these lights make your home entertainment setup look even more awesome. Now, before we wrap up, here's a fun trivia question for you. Which product on our list is designed to help you safely remove stripped or broken screws? Let us know your guess in the comments below. That's it for today's video, everyone. I hope you found these products as amazing as I did. If you're interested in any of them, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. What product are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments. See you next time with more innovative solutions to make your life easier and more enjoyable.